Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The program is Write an HTML program to create a login form with username, password and login button. In this video, we will learn how to create a login form using HTML5. This program is very important for your examination. Now in this login form, we will create username field, password field, login button. So let's start coding. Step number one, create the basic HTML structure. First, create a new file and save it as a login form.html. Type the basic HTML structure, that is doc type HTML, HTML head, then title, simple login form, then slash title, slash head, then body, slash body at the end, and then slash HTML at the end. Step number two, add a heading. Inside the body section, add a heading H1 or H2 we can use here. So I have used here H2, then login form slash H2. The heading will appear at the top of your web page. Then step number 3, create the form. The form is created using the form tag. The form tag is used to collect the user information. Then step number 4 is add the user number field. Now create a text box for entering the user name. So here username is the heading, and then type is equal to text. So this type is our text attribute creates a text input field. Step number 5, add the password field. So password field is created with the heading password. So input type is equal to password, name is equal to password. The type is equal to password attribute hides the entered character for security purpose. Now add a login button. So this button is added here. When the user click on this button, the form data is submitted. So this is the complete program for login and with username and password. So after running the program, a login form, so you can see at right hand side, a login form will be displayed on the screen. The form contains username, then text box, then password with the text box, then login button. User can enter their username and password and click the login button. So in this video, we learn how to create a login form using HTML with username, password and login button. I hope you found this video useful. HTML. Type the basic HTML structure, that is doc type HTML, then head, title. Title is student registration form, then slash title, slash head, and then body, and at the end slash body and slash HTML. The doc type HTML declaration tells the browser that we are using HTML5. The this section contains the title of the web page, and the body section contains all the visible content of the web page. Add heading with the help of h1 tag, h1 student registration form, and then slash h1. So before and at the end there is a slash h1 given. Step number 3, create a form. So the form tag is used to create a form. Then add a name field. Inside the form, create a text box for name. So here name, we will add here name. Okay, and then input type is equal to text, name is equal to name, then two times break is given for extra spaces. Here type is equal to text, will create a text input field. The next is email id. So here give the heading email id, and then create a text box for email id. So input type is equal to email, name is equal to email. The email type is used to accept the email addresses. The next is add mobile number field. So we will write here heading mobile number, and this is the heading, and then text box is created for the mobile number. So in place of text here we can type in number also. because email mobile number is a number, so input type is equal to number. Or we can use, in place of mobile number, we can use here tail also, tel, tail. The tail type is used to enter the telephone or mobile number, and at the end there is a submit button. Okay, so input type is equal to submit, value is equal to submit. When the user click this button, the form is submitted. So here, right hand side, the output is there, student registration form. You run this program, type this program in notepad, save this program with the .html extension, and then run it in browser. So right hand side is the area where showing you the output of the program. So after running this, a student registration form will appear on the screen, and it contains the name text box, email ID text box, mobile number text box, and submit button. The user can enter this information and submit the form. So I hope you understood how to create a student registration form using HTML.